Want to create a brand new page using Elementor on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can start designing like a pro without any hassle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Ready to design like a pro? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. Once you're in the WP admin area, make sure your website is WordPress-based. Elementor only works with WordPress. From the left-hand menu panel, click on Pages, and then on the next screen, click on the Add New Page button located at the top left. Now, give your page a name. I named mine Example Page. WordPress will automatically create the permalink for your new page. This permalink is basically the direct link to access that page. Once your new page is created, click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor page builder. It might take a few seconds to load, so hang tight. Once Elementor opens, you'll see the layout of your page along with a panel on the left. This is where all the magic happens. You can drag and drop widgets like images, headings, videos, and more onto your page. For example, I dragged a heading widget and added a title to my example page. You can also customize everything: alignment, font styles, colors, and more, to make your page look exactly how you want. Once you're done designing, click on the hamburger icon, 3 lines in the top left corner of the Elementor editor. A small menu will appear. From there, click Exit to WordPress. All your changes will be saved automatically, and you'll return to your WordPress dashboard. Now, if you want this new page to appear in your website's main menu, here's how to do it. From the dashboard, go to Appearance, and then Menus. On this screen, you'll see a list of all your pages. Look for the one you just created, Example Page in my case, and click Add to Menu. Then hit Save Menu to update your website navigation. That's it. You're all set. To preview your changes, click on your website name in the top left corner of the dashboard, and you'll be taken to the front end of your site. You'll see the Example Page listed in the menu, and when you click on it, you'll be able to view the page you designed using Elementor. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's just starting out with WordPress and Elementor. See you in the next one.